Super, pa. Like the energy. Little louder, if pa. Yeah. So, as President said, we are all set for the annual Utsav. We're going to have some fun, and Mahesh will be in more cheerful mood then. So, yeah, this time presentation is slightly different because I have used Chat GPT and Gamma. So I'm learning from Suresh sir, our senior guy. Uses also. If you have free time, go to his office. He'll teach you on how to use this. But presenter is the same. Only presentation is better. So the Gamma itself makes a lot of things. So you please go through this. Yeah. What all is going to be covered. Okay. So in January, net inflows, equity saw 39,000. 47 months of positive inflows since March 21. February will be how? Positive or negative? Positive only. Sectoral and thematic funds led with 9,000 crore inflows. See, all we are talking about, all kind of Shankar Naren comes and says something. Small caps received the highest across schemes, 5,700 crores. Small caps? Large caps also experienced slightly higher inflows this time. And post-budget, debt market outlook is consumption boost, liquidity measures, which RBI is inducing, and core banking liquidity. Regulatory development, uniform KYC is being talked about. So anyway, none of us have any problem with KYC. So it's going to become even more easy. Then, who are these guys? Okay. So SEBI is going to make Mitra platform operational in 15 days. What is Mitra platform? So that is going to, a soft launch is going to happen now. So if you all can go and check if any of your parents had left some mutual funds in your name. 2024 has recorded the highest growth in MF assets in the last 10 years. So 2024 right on top, 39% growth, 19,39,000 AUM added. Next best was 2000? No, the chart is there. 2017. So after 2017, the market took a hit in 2018. And 2021 was third. 2016, yeah. So we have done a great job, or the market has. And the new ARNs entering in the 2024 is 29,400 individuals, which is also the highest number. So coming back to the same thing I had presented a year back, which cities have the highest MFAUM, all of you know. But from last year, what has changed? So Chennai, 7th now. Last year at the same time was 6th. Chennai was how much? And current city AUM is 2,02,000 crore. Last year was? Our own city, yeah. Okay. So Chennai is at the same place. Coimbatore. Anybody from Coimbatore here? No Coimbatore people. 3 places down. So our AUM has gone up by 42%. Last year we were at 1,43,000 or so. Coimbatore has gone up by 38%. 26 to 15, no Tamil Nadu city. Madurai. Madurai, anybody is here? This time all local only. Okay. So Madurai, 58, 6,000 crores. It's gone down one position. And AUM has gone up by 22%. Trichy, anybody? Trichy. Yourself and? Ramesh, sir. So what are you doing in Trichy? Trichy has had a good fall. 90% AUM is up. Oh. And Salem 60% AUM is up. But the position-wise, Salem is down one position from 84. Trichy is down 4 positions. From 75 it has come to 79. And the last set of cities, Tirupur, Nagaraj. Tirupur, nobody is there, huh? So Tirupur has only shown a 2% increase and it is down 12 positions. And one city, in fact, last year I had mentioned and had praised, and that is now out of this. Not because of my praising, their own doing. Which is that? Tamil Nadu city? Hosur. Hosur is out now. I don't know why. Huh? Maybe. So SIP stopping, President just talked about, and all of us actually accepted that none of our SIPs are stopping. So somebody's SIPs are stopping. So what is the number you have seen this month on SIPs? Anybody? 26,000 is there. What is the SIP stoppage number somewhere you would have heard? 109. No, auction, huh? Okay. No, 80% was December. So January SIP stoppage is 106%. Now what does that mean? 106%? Yeah. So it's basically every month we are all running around adding SIPs, and some SIPs are getting stopped. So last month, first time, the stoppage and the new SIPs matched. Rather, it was slightly more stoppage than the new SIPs brought in. So it's the first time, in fact, since almost 21, I think, where the stoppage is more than the incremental SIP. First time it's crossed 100%. So new SIPs in the month of January was 56 lakhs, cancellation 61.13. Okay. None of us have stoppage of SIP. So this is for others. Now see a corresponding thing in birth rate and death rate in China. First time this year, number of deaths have exceeded the number of births. And the projected line shows it will keep increasing. So our SIP and China's deaths are matching. Global indices. So which country did the best in 24? Any idea? There are so many other countries. So Argentina, 63.5%. Israel, US is there at third. India is around the middle. This is for the calendar year. New fund launches. Of course, I think this year, this time, most of us will be focusing on Okay. Nano car. Okay, so small cap and nano cap. So this is basically the investment ownership by the FIIs. So if you actually see, they have exited large and mid cap slightly from, this is from June 21 to September 24. Of course, now I think it would have gone even further down. But nano caps, they have increased from 0.1 to 2.3. Micro caps also 7.9 to 8.7. Retail has also increased nano cap. So we are all going towards nano cap. So next, Paddu is going to talk about no small cap also. So that's a fact. I mean, it's, yeah. So industry growth, expect more players entering the market, growing interest in the sector indicated. This is all AI ka work here. So investor behavior trends, investor favor large cap stocks amid volatility. I think all of us do. Gold ETFs are increasingly favored. So gold, physical gold delivery in US has gone up 115% from last year. So they have few vaults which keep gold. Those are all running full. So lot of people, especially abroad, are buying physical gold. Large cap inflows have surged by 52% in January. Global Vanguard, one of the biggest passive players, has reduced the fees drastically. So aims to save 350 million as fees for the investors. You think our trail also might come down? No. No. Okay. So market is still resilient. As we can all see, we are still all bullish and hopeful. And regulatory changes would make things more easy for us. Thank you.